Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install OBS Studio and then walk you through the best settings for recording in 2K and 4K quality. Let's get started. OBS Studio is a powerful and free software that lets you record almost anything on your computer. You can capture your full display, record a specific game, or even select a single window like a browser or app. It's perfect for creating YouTube videos, tutorials, or gameplay content. And not just recording, you can also use OBS for live streaming on platforms like YouTube, Twitch, or Facebook. Everything is customizable, easy to set up, and gives you professional quality results. Next, open Chrome or any web browser. In the search bar, type OBS Studio Download and press Enter. Click on the official OBS website, and you'll see the download options on your screen. Choose your operating system, and click Download to get the OBS setup file. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder. Find the OBS setup file and double-click to open it. Now just follow the installation steps, click Next, Next, and Install. No need to change any settings. After it's done, OBS Studio will be ready to use. Alright, now that OBS Studio is installed, let's set it up for high-quality recording. Go ahead and open OBS, then click on Settings in the bottom right corner. From here, click on the Video tab. Now let's configure everything step by step. First, you'll see Base, Canvas, Resolution. Set this to 1920 by 1200, this is your main workspace resolution. Next is Output, Scaled, Resolution, and this is where you choose your recording quality. If you want to record in 2K, set this to 2560 by 1600. And if you want 4K recording, change it to 3840 by 2400. Now move down to Downscale Filter. Here, select Bicubic or Lanczos. Lanczos gives sharper quality, but Bicubic is a bit lighter on performance. After that, set your common FPS values to 60 FPS. This will make your recording smooth, especially for gaming or fast motion content. Once you've set everything, click Apply, and then OK. You can also see all these exact settings displayed on your screen, so just follow along and match them. Now your OBS is ready for high-quality 2K and 4K recording. Alright, in this example, we're going to record in 2K resolution, so let's set everything specifically for that. Open OBS Studio, go to Settings, and then click on the Video tab. First, set your base, canvas, resolution to 1920 by 1200, this stays the same. Now for output, scaled, resolution, since we're recording in 2K, set it to 2560 by 1600. Alright, now let's move to the most important part, the output settings for recording quality. Go to Settings, then click on the Output tab. At the top, change output mode from Simple to Advanced. Now switch to the Recording tab. Let's go step by step. First, Encoder. If you have a modern NVIDIA GPU like RTX 40 or 50 series, select NVIDIA NVENC AV1. This gives you better quality with smaller file sizes. If AV1 is not available, you can use NVIDIA NVENC HEVC instead. Next, recording format. Set this to MKV. This is the safest option because if OBS crashes, your file won't be lost. You can always convert it to MP4 later using Remux recordings inside OBS. Now, rate control. Set this to CQP, which stands for constant quality. This is the best option for recording. Do not use CBR here. Then, CQ level. Set it between 18 to 20 for very high quality. If you want smaller file sizes, you can go with 22 to 24. Remember, lower number means better quality but bigger files. Next, keyframe interval. Set this to 2 seconds. Now for preset. Choose P6, slower, or P7, slowest, for the best quality. Higher presets give better results but use more GPU power. Then, tuning. Set this to high quality. For multi-pass mode, select 2 passes, quarter resolution. This improves encoding efficiency without too much performance loss. Finally, profile. Set it to main. Once everything is set, click Apply and then OK. Now your OBS is fully optimized for high-quality recording with NVENC AV1, giving you professional-level results with efficient file sizes. Alright, now everything is set. Let's go ahead and start recording your screen. Click on Start Recording, do a quick test, and then stop the recording to check your video quality. As you can see on the screen, the recording looks clean, sharp, and smooth. And that's it, you're all set to create high-quality content with OBS Studio. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.